Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the first chapter, large numbers. In that, we are going to learn one new concept. What that concept I will tell you later. Before going to discuss about that chapter, you have to answer my questions. Okay, how many nose do you have, children? How many nose do you have? Of course, you have one nose. How many nose do you have? One nose. How many fingers are there in your hand? In one hand? How many fingers do you have, children? 5 fingers in one hand. How many fingers do you have in both together? Means in both the hand, how many fingers do you have? 10, of course. So, what I'm writing here? This is one nose, 5 fingers in one hand, 10 fingers in other hand. So these numbers we are familiar with, but what I have written, capital I, capital V, capital X, what these are? These are the Roman numerals. So today what we are going to learn? The new concept, that is Roman numerals. In Roman system, you used to write numbers by using these symbols. So these symbols will represent the given numbers. For 1, we'll write capital I. For 5, we'll write capital V. For 10, we'll write capital X. For 50, we'll write capital L. For 100, we'll write capital C. For 500, we'll write capital D. And for 1000, we use capital M. So these are these are the symbolical representation of the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. So these all will use to write in the Roman system. Okay, these we know the numbers. These are Hindu-Arabic numbers. So for 1, we'll use the capital I. For 5, V, capital V. For 10, capital X. For 50, capital L. For 100, capital C. For 500, capital D. For 1000, capital M. So these symbols will represent the given numbers. So by using these only we can write the numbers in Roman system. Okay, in the Roman system, do you see any zero? No. In the Roman system, there is no zero. So this is the difference between Hindu-Arabic system and the Roman system. In the Roman system, we will not use the zero, but Hindu-Arabic system will use the zero. So by using these symbols, how to write the numbers, we'll explain. So look at the symbols. 1. This is the 1. This is 2I are here. 1I plus 1I. 2I means 2. 1I, 2I, 3I means 3. We'll write 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is not correct. We'll not use like this. This is wrong. The symbol will repeat only 3 times. Which symbol will repeat only 3 times? That is capital I, capital X, capital C and capital M. Look at this. Here 1 is there. Capital I, 1. Capital I plus capital I. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Capital I, capital means 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 3. Like that 1, 1, 1, 1. Like this 4 we can write? No. Like this we can't write. So, for how to write 4, I will explain later. The symbol will repeat only 3 times. Not more than 3 times. So, which symbol will repeat 3 times? Capital I will repeat 3 times. Capital X will repeat 3 times. Capital C will repeat 3 times. Capital M will repeat 3 times. So this is 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Only these symbols will repeat 3 times. This capital V, 5 and L and D will not repeat. Cannot be repeated these symbols. Only these symbols you have to repeat. So for writing the numerals in the Roman system, you have to keep these rules in the mind. The capital I, capital X, capital C and the capital M will repeat only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, and capital V, capital L, capital D will not repeat. We cannot repeat those symbols. Okay, first rule is we'll add to write the numbers. So see here 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the 3. And second is some symbols can repeat and some symbols cannot repeat. Which one will repeat? Capital I, X, C, M means 1, 10, 100, 1000 can repeat, but 5, 50 and 500 will not repeat, cannot repeat. The second rule. Okay, third one. What is the third rule? This is the greater value symbol. Which one is the greater value symbol? 5. 5 is the greater value symbol. If we'll write smaller value right after the greater value, it be added. This is 5 is the greater value. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. When we'll write greater value and when we'll write smaller value right after greater value, the number is going to add. Look at this. 5 is the greater value. Right after greater value we have written 1. It means the number is added. 5 plus 1. The symbol is added here. Okay. When it will going to add? When we'll write smaller value right of that number, right of the greater value, it will be added. Okay. Next, when we will write smaller value left of that greater number, left of the greater number, that will be subtracted. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. That is the subtraction. So, the first rule is while writing the numbers, we'll repeat the symbol only 3 times. And some symbols cannot be repeat. When we will write a smaller value right of the greater value, it will be added. And when we'll write smaller value right of the greater value, it should be subtracted. And when we'll write when we'll write smaller value greater value left of the smaller value, we can't write like this. 5 minus 5 and 10 is there here. 50 and 100. We can't write this. This cannot be written in the Roman system. So, this is wrong. Totally wrong. We can't write like this. So, you should not write this in the Roman system. So, these all rules you have to keep it in your mind. So, keeping all those numbers in mind, we are going to write the numbers now. So, how to write the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, for 1, we will use capital I. Yes. For 2, 1 plus 1, capital I 2 times. For 3, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. For 4, what to write? To write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus like this? No. What is the first rule? Second rule will tell. The number means capital I should not repeat 3 times. So, how to write 4? We know the 5, capital V. So, you know the rule. When we will write to that, when we will write smaller value to right of that left of that greater value, it should be subtracted. So, 5 minus 1 is the 4. Now, 6 how to write? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. 8. 5, 1, 1, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 how to write? 5, 1, 1, 1, 1? No. It should be again subtracted with a 10. 10 minus 1 is the 9. And this is 10. Look at here carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be repeat like this. Cannot be write like this because the symbol only repeat only 3 times. So how we have written here 4? 5 minus 1 is the 4. 5, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 6, 2, 6, 7. 5 plus 3 is the 8. Again 9. Here subtracting 10 minus 1, 9 and the 10. Now how to write the 11? 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 14 how? 10 plus 4, 14. 4 how we will write? 1 minus v means 5 minus 1 is the 4. 10 plus 4 is the 14. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 9. 20. 10 plus 10, 20. If you know 1, 2, 3 how to write, you can write easily 11, 12, 13. 11 will come 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, you know the 1, 2 how to write, and even you know the 10. So 10 plus 1. Here look at this carefully. 1, 2, 3. Till 3 we are going to add. While 4, when 4 will come, here we'll subtract. In 14 we'll subtract, or in 4 we'll subtract. In 4 we'll subtract. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 how we'll write? 1 minus 5, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again here subtraction, and 10. When we will subtract, when 4 and 9 is there, no, we'll subtract. Rest all time we'll add. See here, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 9. Again here 9 we have subtracted. When we will subtract? When 4 is there, when 9 is there. When the number is ending with a 4 and 9, we are subtracting. Look at this here. Again say. And when the number is ending with a 4 and the 9, here we'll subtract, and rest all number will add. So like this we can write the numeral Roman. Like this we can write the numbers in Roman system. Now how to write the 21? You know the 21. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21. 10 plus 10 plus 22. 10 plus 10 plus 20, again 3. 10 plus 10, 4. 24. Like this we can write all the numbers. 10, 10, 5, 25. 10, 10, 6, 26. 10, 10, 7. 10, 10, 8. 10, 10, 9. Here subtraction. And 30, 10, 10, 10, 30. We have written 10 like this, and 20 like this, and 30 like this. But how to write the 40? Again when 4 will come, no, again subtraction. You know the 50, L. 50 the L. 50 minus 10 is the 40. Yes, 50 minus 10 is the 40. When we will write left to the greater number value, it's going to be subtracted. So L is the 50. 50 minus 10 is the 40. 40 we will write like this. And 50 is the L. So if you know these symbols, you can write all the numbers very easily. So now we are going to solve some examples. Thank you.